Barbados, ladies and gentlemen. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping the aisle and area at your feet clear of all hand baggage until the aircraft comes to a stop. Cellular phones must not be switched on until the aircraft engines are shut down. When the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off, you will be invited to disembark. On leaving, remember to take all your belongings with you, and please be careful when opening the overhead lockers, as items can fall, causing injury to you or others nearby. Passengers travelling on to St. Martin and Jamaica, you are requested to remain on board the aircraft. Please observe the no smoking sign. To those of you leaving us here, it was a pleasure having you on board, and on behalf of Captain Eric Dove and the rest of the crew, we thank you for choosing the services of Caribbean Airlines, and we wish you all a very pleasant day.